Okay, we're going to show you how to add more size options for utilities. It's important to note that this is different from how we add more size options for drainage or sanitary feature definitions, as the sizes are controlled a little differently for those two types. And I have a separate video for that on our wiki page if you're dealing with drainage or sanitary. So this one's going to go over utilities here. Alright, so I've already created a drainage and utilities project in this file to save some time. So if not, you can pretty much click on any of these tools and you'll get prompted to create one, and you can create one. Um, so what you typically do with utilities is extract it. So if I go to like extract from graphic, there's the waterline feature definition, and if I look at the description here, it lists all the sizes. So maybe I want a different size. Maybe I want an 18 inch, and I don't have that option. So what we can do is we can edit the feature definition. And we can't edit the feature definition from the library. We have to edit the local copy in this file. So hopefully you guys already know that as you use feature definitions, they get copied to the file. That gives you the ability to, if by chance you send this file to someone else and they don't have our standards, when they load this file, it will still have that feature definition because it's been copied into the file. But that also gives you the ability to edit that local copy of the feature definition. So that's what we're going to do. So what we need to do is we need to get our standard feature definition copied into this file. So you could just extract it, and then it would be copied to the file for you, or you could just go and copy it yourself. So here I'm in Explorer, over in the Standards tab, and I expanded out the libraries, feature definitions, drainage and utilities one, conduit, water segment, existing water line. So there's that feature definition that I need to edit. So if you look at the properties here, you'll see the conduit table, there's a collection of 13 items. So we want to add an item to that collection. But I cannot edit this, it's all grayed out, right? So I can come in here, I can copy this, and I can come up, or close that, and now I'm going to go into my active file, feature definitions, conduit. Oh, it looks like I might have already used it. Okay, so I already got it in here. If not, you could come in here and paste that. So now that I have a copy of this feature definition, I can click on it, look at the properties, and I can open up the conduit table, and here you can see the different sizes that have been set up. So if we want to add a size, we can come in here, hit new, and we'll do 18 inch. So the description, you can have whatever you want. It's just kind of the display. And then you want to make sure that you set your actual diameter and thickness of the pipe correctly. So I will do 1.5, actually, yeah, 1.5 feet. Taking a look at this, you can kind of tell this is in feet. If you made this a little wider, you'll see there's the units there. What's that thickness of that pipe? It depends on what kind of material it is. I'll just take the same that I had for the 20 inch. And minimum cover, you could set, might not really that important for what we're doing. But so now I've added that size. So if I close that out and I come back to here, I look at my drop down, I now have an 18 inch size option. Okay, so that's how you can add a custom size to the drop down. Another thing to mention is you can add those sizes after it's been extracted, and you can come in here and select that feature definition and come to the properties, and anything new that you added you can change after the fact. So don't think that you have to do it before you do anything else. You can update these feature definitions, anytime, and then come in and change the size if needed.